guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute and easy bow. You do not have to make this bow for Halloween. You can use whatever colors of ribbon that you would like, but I would recommend using ribbon with wire to make this little bow. And I have 6 different colors of ribbon, but you do not have to use 6 colors. You can use 1 color. It does not matter. You will need some string, and you're also going to need some floral wire. First, you're going to want to take your ribbon, and this is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and you're just going to take your ribbon and you're going to cut it into 9-inch strips, and you're going to cut 9 strips at 9 inches. So simple to remember, and this makes a beautiful bow to put on a wreath or for a lantern. I am actually making this bow to incorporate into a lantern swag that I will be sharing later on. So just take all of your ribbon and cut it at 9 inches. And this ribbon right here is 1.5-inch width ribbon. You do not have to use all the same width. I think it is fun to choose different colors and patterns, especially for Halloween. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel, so if this is not the bow for you and you're looking for a loopy bow or a funky bow, let me know in the comment section and I can link a tutorial for you. Some of the ribbon I did cut 2 strips of, and some I just cut 1 strip of, so it doesn't really matter, just so you have 9 strips total cut at 9 inches, and then you're going to have a beautiful bow. Here's my 9 strips of ribbon. Now I need to go back and dovetail the ends. Now that takes just a little bit of time, but it's worth it. So you're going to take a strip of ribbon, and you're going to take the ribbon and you are going to fold the ribbon in half. So take your strip of ribbon, fold it in half with the edges to the left side. Go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. So take your strip of ribbon, fold it in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V. So do all 9 strips that same way. When my daughter was little, she's a teenager now, but when she was little, I used to make lots of her hair bows to match her outfits, and I used to love making her hair bows this same style. I just always thought they were fun and cute, and then I always put a decorative button in the center of the hair bow. I will probably add something cute to the center of this bow too, maybe a plastic spider or maybe just some vase filler. I'm not sure yet. I don't have anything already bought, so I'll have to look for something next time I go to the store. But this is the way the ribbon strips look when you have each end dovetailed. Now you're ready to start putting together your bow. First thing, you're going to want to cut a strip of your string and place your string down first on your table. This is very important. String down first. Then now you're going to take your ribbon strips and you're going to place them in an X pattern. I usually try to mix up the colors and the patterns when I'm placing my ribbon down, but just kind of make an X shape. Kind of keep track of where your string is. You do not want it to shift out of place. You want it to stay in the center so that you can grab it up and tie it into a knot when you have all 9 strips placed down on top of your string. And just remember, you do not have to make this for Halloween. You can make this for fall, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter. You can just use all kinds of fun colors and prints. I'm just giving you some ideas. Now I'm taking my string and I'm pulling it to the center, and I am going to tie a knot. You will want to get the string nice and tight around the center of your ribbon. Now if you pull it too tight though, it kind of folds in half. So that's why I like to go back and add floral wire. Now I know lots of people just use the string, and I think that's great, but it works easier for me to add the floral wire, and you'll see what I'm talking about in just a second. Once you have your knot tied, then you can start shaping your bow. This string is, I'm not real sure the correct name of it. I just call it bowstring, but it's in the same section like at Hobby Lobby where you'll buy your floral wire or your wreath rings. And I think it comes in silver and gold, and I really think it's called bowstring, but I could be wrong. So here I am just shaping my bow, and this doesn't take much shaping at all. You really don't have to do anything unless you just want to. But now I can never get my knots tight like I want. I don't know if it's just me or what. So that's why I go ahead and I add the floral wire, and that way I like to be able to attach it like to my deco mesh wreaths or whatever craft project I'm working on. This one's going on a lantern, but you don't have to add the wire. If you can get your knot tight like you want, then you can just use the string to tie it on to whatever craft project you're working on. When I was making my little girl's hair bows, I used to take needle and thread and tighten the center with the needle and thread that way until I got it, just like I wanted. But now I've found out that I can do the same with floral wire. So I'm just taking some 20 gauge floral wire, and I just picked it up at Hobby Lobby, but you can buy it at Michael's, Walmart, Dollar Tree, places like that, wrapping it around the center of my bow, going to the back, and I'm going to give those wires a few twists nice and tight around my bow. I usually use floral wire. It's my favorite to use. So now that I have it nice and secure around my bow, I'm going to use the wires to attach it to my lantern. And now really I don't have a use for that string, so I can take my scissors and clip off the string and get rid of it now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful to you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave me a comment. I have a question for you. Do you decorate your home for Halloween or not? I don't decorate too much for Halloween, but I do decorate a little bit. I hope everyone's doing good, guys. Thank you so much for watching.